So here we are. My beautiful Dara is cutting the potatoes. And she already cut the onions. We have ground beef. And we went with already prepared corn, peas, and carrots. We're going to put them in tin foil and cook them right on the fire. Right, beautiful?
Yeah.
Yep. I think she's getting tired of being on camera all the time. Beautiful day. So, here we are, putting the hobo dinners on the fire. And that's the beef, corn, peas, carrots, and onions, and potato, yeah. And you leave it about 6 minutes each side, then flip them over, and then hope they're done. If not, you put them back together and try again. So that's what Dara has been preparing. When it's done, we'll show you the finished product. Be back in a little while. It's been 6 minutes. Dara's flipping them over gently. And once again, I was notified the small packet is mine. I've been put on a diet.
You know.
I know. Nah, she doesn't put me on a diet. There's certain things I cannot have. I can't have corn. And so hers has corn and stuff in it. So, but there it is. And we'll talk to you when they're done. Okay, we just flipped both of them again. It's been about 10 minutes and Dara's just situating. Smells good, but we're just making sure it's fully cooked. Like I said, Dara just flipped them. It's been about 10-11 minutes, and we're going to do 5 more minutes this side, and then open them up. You can see that they're steaming. It smells delicious. Because Dara's a good cook. That's you. Mahal kita. Okay, so we've had them on almost 20 minutes just to make sure they're cooked. Dara says she wants hers kunte burnt. But you can hear them. I don't know if you can hear that. Everything is sizzling. I smell potatoes. I smell the meat. Oh, sarap. Back in a little bit. So my beautiful wife is going to remove them one at a time. And we're going to set them on the bench and let them cool for a little bit. And just let them keep cooking in the heat, their own juices. And then we'll do the unveiling here in a little bit. Mabango. Can still hear them cooking in there. Just leave them set for about 10 minutes just like that to continue cooking. And we'll be back with the unveiling here soon. Okay, so we're getting close to the innards. Dara triple foiled it.
There.
Wow.
Smell
Maganda.
good.
Dara triple foiled it. Well, that one's mine.
Yeah.
She triple foiled it.
Yeah.
Just on the plate, Mahoko. I can eat like that.
Huh?
I can eat like that. Just put it on the plate.
There.
She put on. Wow. And the hamburgers underneath. And we'll take a look at Dara's. I'll move some of mine around. Oop, I'm using both. And there's the beef underneath. Syrup. Yeah, it's nice and cooked. About 20 minutes. Flip it every 5 minutes or so. Yeah. Syrup, maganda. And here's Dara's, triple foiled or quadruple foiled. The reason she put so much foil, in the past when we took them off the fire, they ripped. You know, it's a big sad face. So she used extra foil. Seems like my wife is excited.
Yeah.
Let's see what yours looks like, Mahoko. Wow, yet another. Marami tabatni from the beef. Mabango, I can smell yours. The smell of the sweet corn is nice. Like I said, I can't have corn because of health issues.
Yeah.
Wow. There's beautiful Dara's dinner. Well, that's it. Kain na tayo. Maraming salamat, Aswako.
Ano naman, ani?
Mahokita.
Makita din.
Thank you. Well, we'll eat now. Have a good dinner and we'll relax by the fire tonight. The sun's going down. And we're just going to enjoy a relaxing evening together. A little romance, a little happiness, a little bit of peace. Until next time, we'll see you soon.